What's up guys, it's these Drags, and today we have some more Disney Pixar cars to unbox, and today we have 2 Disney Pixar cars that I just got today from B&M. It was honestly nice too. There was actually quite a lot in B&M today, which is weird for the UK because on average in the UK you usually get like 5 cars in every shop, but today there was like 20 cars, which is really nice. I'm sure in the US 20 cars is like your average. So I'm very thankful to have got 2 today. And first I'm going to start with Patti to unbox, and I'm pretty sure you could probably all tell before I even said the intro. You can notice Mario, Andretti and Fred in the background. You could probably already notice that I'm going to recreate the scene. Which I only have Fred with bumper stickers, but you know, it's good enough. Anyways, now time to get to unboxing. This one down. Well, it's so annoying when this happens. Come on, just... There we go. So one opened. Now next one. These are 2 very nice cars here. Okay, so these cars are actually really nice. First one, I'm gonna get started with reviewing Patti. So the scene that Patti pops up in is obviously, you guys probably already know this, but basically there's a security guard that I don't have, but you know, I'll just get another security guard real quick. Okay, so I don't have the exact security guard, but I do have this lenticular one from 2010, I believe. I got it from a car boot sale, but a little interesting fact there. Basically, the scene is... So basically, Fred's trying to get into the race and the security guard won't let him in because he needs a garage pass. And basically, Mario Andretti and his bodyguard, Patti, comes up. I think Patti's his bodyguard. But anyways, they both go in because they have a garage pass. And then Mario Andretti, obviously... His name is Fred, and he has it there. My name is Fred. So Mario Andretti says, "Hey Fred," and then Fred's just like,
"And good morning to you, Fred."
Mario Andretti knows my name. You gotta let me in now. Sorry,
So yeah, it's a pretty iconic scene. But anyways, let's get to reviewing this car. So obviously, it's a very nice metallic paint. I really like the nice metallic paint. I think it's a lot more metallic than what it used to be. It's so metallic. I can literally see the reflection in it. See a reflection of the world map. But yeah, very lenticular. Not lenticular. Metallic. Getting modelled up now. So on the bottom, there's obviously... Oh, it's made in 2020. I thought it was made in 2023. Oh, 2022 then. Surprised by that. I thought it was quite a new one. Surely they've got that wrong, surely. Okay, so this next one is Tailgate. This is a lot more different. It's another long one, but it's more out of a bumpy texture. The texture's a lot different. I really like the expression there. A very unique expression, other than just the usual smiling like you see on Patti. Like, that's just such a basic expression. Really like the spray paint. What does this say? Greasy grilly barbecue. The greasy grilly barbecue. Oh, I wouldn't want a greasy barbecue. Nice colours, pink and white, and a bit of red. Nice wheels. Those are some nice looking wheels, white and black. So yeah, that one doesn't say the year on this, but I'm absolutely certain this was released in 2023. Actually, no, this might have been released in 2022. I think it's released in 2022. But either way, it's still a nice car, no matter what year it was released. Yeah, really nice car, and that's basically it to review. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!